of comprehensive income and appropriation accounts for partnership. For statement of comprehensive income, we simply know that that's where you get your profit from.
Oh, really?
Yeah. What is really? But when it comes to appropriation account is prepared to let each partner understand the amount of money that their share of profit, their share of profit or loss, their salaries that has to be paid are all in the appropriation account. Yeah. So as soon as the appropriation account is done, whatever you get, whatever interest that has to be paid must be deducted before you get your final profit. That's why we have appropriation account. So whatever information you get from your appropriation account, you have to deduct it before you have your final profit.
Yeah, I see.
So, okay, so we'll go on. So statement of comprehensive income and appropriation account, stop that already, please. So one, the interest on drawings, which is part of our statement of profit or loss. Interest on drawing, what is the purpose of the interest on drawing?
Is withdrawing too much.
To discourage partners from withdrawing funds from the firm. That is the purpose. So what is the effect on appropriation account? It increases as partners pay interest on the firm, to the firm. So your appropriation account will increase because interest on drawings means that more money comes to the business. Mm-hmm. And what is the effect on current account? The current account will decrease because each partner has its own current account. So if a partner is paying interest on drawings, it would have meant that amount will be taken away from the salary from the partner's income. Do you understand? That is for interest on drawings. Then we go to partners' salaries. For partners' salary, this is a reward for putting effort physically into the business. Mm-hmm. The mental is there for everyone, but the physical one, that means an individual or a partner is working. That's an active partner. So that's the reward for an active partner. So what is the effect on appropriation account? The purpose is to reward the active partner, right? Then what is the effect on appropriation account? It decreases because payment is made from the business. Yeah. Then the effect on current account, it will increase because that active partner will be getting certain amount from the business. Yes. Is it clear? Then the interest on capital, which is the third one. When we talk about capital, the amount of money invested into the business, right? Yeah. So for interest on capital, the reward is to continue to encourage partners to put money into the business. Okay. So that's a reward for you for the risk you take in the course of putting your money into the business. That is the reward you get. Do you understand? That's the purpose, to reward you for putting your money into the business, which is a risk. Then what is the effect on appropriation account? The effect is that it decreases because the business has to pay partners from the profit made.
Yes.
You get it? Then the effect on current account. The current account will increase because that individual who has put money into the business will be rewarded for that.
Yes.
Is it clear? So that's the third item in the statement of comprehensive income, in the statement of comprehensive income account. Then the fourth one, share of profit. Yeah, the share of profit, that's the fourth one, share of profit. For share of profit, the purpose is to distribute the remaining profit made. You have to distribute the remaining profit. What's the effect on appropriation account? It decreases because you are paying partners from the profit. Yeah. The effect on the current account, it will increase because each partner will be having certain amount of money added to their income. Is it clear? So what are the rules you have to follow when preparing the statement of comprehensive income as a partner? Number one, each partner has his or her own capital and current account. So each partner must have his or her own current account and capital account. Two, capital account is fixed in terms of the amount injected, which means you cannot just add any amount of money during the course of the year. It is not possible. You can give a loan, yes, but to add in terms of capital, no, it is not possible because it will change the face of how profits or losses will be shared. Do you understand? So the third one, if any loans are made by the partners to the partnership, it must be shown separately. So if loan is given, it has to be on a separate account. Okay. Clear? Then we have the next one. Interest on these loans is shown in the statement of profit or loss, another comprehensive income before arriving to the profit for the year. Yeah. So if interest has to be paid on the loan, it has to be part of the expenditure, which shows in the statement of profit or loss account before you get your final profit.
Perfect.
And the last one, the appropriation are generated from the profit for the year. So the profit account, your profit for the year, after you prepare your profit for the year, then you prepare the appropriation account. Any question about it?
No.